Video opens with a shot of a wise Muslim scholar sitting in a beautifully decorated room with Islamic art on the walls. He is holding a copy of the Quran and looks up with a gentle expression. In the vast ocean of the Holy Quran, there are pearls of wisdom that are both profound and concise. We often seek lengthy chapters for guidance, yet some of the most powerful messages are encapsulated within the shortest of surahs. These divine revelations, though brief in their recitation, offer us a universe of meaning, a direct path to understanding the core of our faith. Join me as we reflect upon the immense wisdom gifted to us in these short, yet incredibly potent chapters. The scene transitions to a visual representation of the concept of Tawhid. Abstract golden light swirls and coalesces, forming the word Allah in beautiful Arabic calligraphy that glows warmly. Let us begin with Surah Al-Ikhlas, the chapter of purity. In just 4 verses, it presents the very essence of our belief, the absolute oneness of God. It declares that Allah is the one, the self-sufficient master, upon whom all of creation depends. He begets not, nor was he begotten, and there is nothing comparable to him. This surah is a powerful declaration of monotheism, a definitive statement that purifies our hearts and minds, anchoring our faith in the singular, unshakable truth of our Creator. It is said to be equivalent to 1/3 of the Quran, a testament to its foundational importance. The scene changes to show the fleeting nature of time. A fast-motion sequence shows a sun rising and setting rapidly over a bustling cityscape, followed by the hands of an ornate clock spinning at high speed. Next, we contemplate Surah Al-Azhar, the chapter of time. The Quran swears an oath by time itself to deliver a message of utmost urgency. It reminds us that humanity is in a state of loss, perpetually losing our most precious commodity, our moments on this earth. Yet it immediately provides the path to salvation from this loss. It is for those who believe, who do righteous deeds, who enjoin each other to truth, and who enjoin each other to patience. This surah is a complete roadmap for a successful life, teaching us that faith without action is incomplete, and that a righteous community is one that actively supports its members in truth and perseverance. The video then shows a breathtaking, computer-generated river of abundance. The water sparkles as if filled with diamonds, and lush, vibrant greenery and blooming flowers line its banks, symbolizing divine generosity. Finally, we turn to Surah Al-Kawthar, the chapter of abundance. This, the shortest chapter in the Quran, was revealed as a consolation to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during a time of great personal hardship. It promises him an abundance of goodness, a river in paradise, and so much more. It is a powerful reminder to every believer that even in our moments of sorrow and perceived scarcity, Allah's generosity is limitless. It teaches us to turn to Him in prayer and gratitude, for His blessings are boundless and His support is ever present for those who remain devoted. The video ends with the scholar looking directly at the camera, a serene and comforting smile on his face. The words "seek wisdom" in the Quran appear gracefully on the screen in elegant script,